Okay, hello guys. Today we are going to talk about scanner class. So let's start. What is it, the scanner class? Simply, the scanner class is used to get user input. So if you want to pass some arguments, some variables to our program from our keyboard, we can do this by scanner class. And we can find it in Java util package. What else? The scanner class have few methods that we will use today. Most important is nextLine, which as you see reads a string value. So whatever we put there, the scanner reads. And also we've got dedicated, as you see, for each primitive type, like boolean, byte, double, float, and etc. Okay, so let's go to practice. Okay, as you see, I prepared scanner practice project where we'll be coding and checking our scanner class, how it works exactly. First of all, we need to prepare object, our scanner class. About objects and classes, as I mentioned in previous videos, I tell you more in other videos, so please be patient. And so let's create that object, and that it let us to use scanner methods. So first of all, scanner, we can call it scanner equal new scanner system in. Okay, so here we pass an argument system input, and now we can provide our methods and check if it works. So first of all, let's give our user some information how our exactly program works. So please put your name, and here we can use our scanner object, and here next line. Next line means it reads all line in our terminal. Okay, the program stops here in that point and we'll be waiting for our input, and we need to accept it by enter. Okay, if you've got it, we can assign it to the variable. Let's say string name equal something like that, and now we can print it out. So cout print line, and let's say hello, and here our name. Right, so let's check this out, run it. Okay, you've got information, please put your name, and here the program stopped, and now we can pass our name. So my name is Kamil, so I put it, and I put it enter, and the result is hello Kamil. Okay, that's great. So we've got basic information about that, how it works. So we can check something more. Okay, now we've got only the name. Let's try to provide some other information, like age, I don't know, maybe some boolean value, like are you smoking or something like that. Okay, we use to this some dedicated methods, as you familiar already, I hope. So let's start. I copy this here and put here, please put your age, and here age, and let's next int, right? Okay, we've got the small problem here because of course string and age, and here we want to read an integer. so into change into int here type, right? That's why I've got the problem here. Okay, let's read something else like boolean maybe. Let's say, are you smoking? And here is bool. Smoking. And here, of course, boolean, right? So when we put here the value age or boolean, we need to remember to put the right type. We can put it here string or something else. It needs to be a number, and here true or false, right? And try to print it out. Let's say your age is age. Your status is smoking. Okay, let's check this out, how it works. First name, Camille, second argument, 34, here, true. Okay, as you see, everything's work fine, but let's check what's happened if I pass some incorrect values here. I run it again, and let's say Camille is of course correct. Anything what we pass as for string, it will be fine, because string is a string simply, so it doesn't matter what kind of characters there. But here, asking about age, there will be a problem if you pass some letters, right? So let's try something like that, and we've got exception, right? So it's prohibited here. That's an error. Later I show you how to validate this kind of stuff, but now please remember to avoid this kind of situation. Okay, so that's pretty all, I guess. You can check another types, another methods here, and try on your own.